Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to edit photos on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So if you want to edit photos on your CapCut PC, then what you can do is just simply open up your CapCut, and after opening up your CapCut, now what you can do is just tap on create project. After tapping on create project, now you have to import a project. So just tap on import and then select a photo that you would like to edit. So for example, I'll select this one, and after selecting that, what you have to do is you have to tap and hold on to that photo and then drag and drop it in your timeline. And after doing that, what you can do is just edit your photo the way you like. So in the left side of your screen, in the top, you can find the following options. So here you can find audio, text, stickers, effect, transforms, captions, filters, adjustments, and templates. So by using the following options, you can edit your photo. So what I'll do is just tap on adjustment and then tap on this adjustment and drop it in my timeline. And you can resize this adjustment the way you like. And now what you can do is just add an adjustment. So you can add a saturation, you can add color. So here you can find the temperature, you can just lower the temperature. So in this way you can add a color to your video. You can also add lightness. So if you want to add lightness, what you can do is just higher your exposure. You can also increase the amount of your shadow. So just play with these options, and after playing with these options, just select the right amount of effects that you want in your photo. And after doing all that, what you can do is just simply tap on filters. After tapping on filters, you will find a bunch of filters from here. So you can select any filter you like. So for example, I would like to add this black and white filter, or I want to add this filter which is of neon color. So just tap on it and install this. And after installing this filter, you can just simply drag it and drop it in your timeline. And after doing that, now you can adjust this filter. So here you can see the intensity of the following filter. So you can adjust the intensity. So you can lower the intensity if it's too high. So in this way you can edit and add filters. You can also add captions. So it's not a video, so you can't add captions to your photo. So this is not a video and you can't add captions to your photo. So you can only add transitions to your video, so you can't add transitions to your photos. You can add effects to your photo. So what you can do is just simply install an effect, and after installing this effect, you can drag it and drop it. And after doing that, here you can see the effect. You can simply drag it and then adjust this effect in your timeline. And after adding all that, now if you just play it, here you can see guys, this is how you can edit your photo in CapCut. So not only this, you can find more options like stickers. So just install a sticker. You can find text. So you can add a text if you like. For example, I would like to add this text. So what I'll do is just simply install it. So you have to make sure you install a free text. So if you are using a pro one, you might have to pay for subscription. So if you have a subscription, you can use it, but if you don't, then you can't use this. So after adding a text, what you can do is just simply type in anything that you like. First resize it and resizing. And after resizing this text, what you can do is just simply type in any text that you want. So from the right side of your screen here, you can find the text option, and inside this bar, you can just change the text. So after adding your text, what you can do is just resize it if it's too small, and then keep it in a timeline. So in this way you can add a text. So by using all the following options, you can edit your video the way you like from CapCut. This is how to edit photos on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.